1.7 stem and leaf plots. Here's some examples. That's a stem and leaf plot, and the way you read it is this. This is the beginning of the number on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, this is the last digit of that number. So if you look at this and this, the 2 and the 1, those combined make 21. So 2 and 2 would be 22, and then you would have another 22. There's two 22s in there, and then 23, 24. What number is this? 35. What number is this? And what number is this? 62, yeah. So some basic questions that you would have to answer about a stem and leaf plot could be the following. For example, how many items are in that stem and leaf plot? How many numbers are listed in that stem and leaf plot? There are 17 numbers, and the way you would find that is count up how many individual numbers there are here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Something else that you could find is this, the mode. The mode is the number that shows up the most number of times. So what number, if any, up there do you think shows up the most number of times? King.
A mixture of 53 and 22.
That's right. You can have two modes, because if the numbers show up the same number of times and those are the most that show up, then you can have two of them. Notice that we have two 22s and we have two 53s. So the mode would be 22 and 53. The next thing that you could find is the average. The average is when you find the sum of all the items and divide by the number of items in the list. So let's add up all these numbers in the list and divide by how many there are, which is 17. You have to find the sum of all the numbers. So start up there in the 20s. You'll have 21 plus 22 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24, and then plus 35 plus 37 plus 49 plus 52, 53, 53, 54, 58, 61, 62, 65, 67. What's the sum that you came up with?
758.
Yeah. 758. So we'll have 758, and we're going to divide that number by what? 17. So let's do that. Divide by 17. And we come out with 44.5882 and so on. What place did I say to round to? Does anybody remember? Yeah. Tenths place. What number is in the tenths place in this decimal here? What number? 5, because this is the tenths place. What number do I look at in order to round that circled number?
8.
The 8 next to it. If it's 5 or higher, what do I do to that 5? Round it up. So 44.6 would be the average. The last thing we're going to try to find from this stem and leaf plot is the median. The screen's dancing on me here, so we'll go back. There we go. The median is the middle number. And in a stem and leaf plot, the stem and leaf plot should already be in order from least to greatest. And in this case, top to bottom goes least to greatest, because you'll notice the 20s are in order, so are the 3s, or the 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s. So to find the median, it's the middle number. And here's an example of median. If I had 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a list of numbers. What's the middle number? Yeah. 4. Yeah, so that's the median. What if I had 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? What would be the middle number then? Is what?
4.5.
4.5 is right, and the way you come up with that is this. If you have no middle number listed, you add the two numbers together that are in the middle and divide by 2. So 4 plus 5 is 9, and then you divide by 2. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. That would be the median for this list. But we have to find the median for the list up above. Yeah, we'll just count 8. We have 17 numbers, and half of 17 is 8.5, but we can't count half a number. So we'll just count 8. So let's go like this, and we'll do this in blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, there's the first half, and then the second half we'll do in red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I end up with, oh, I'm sorry. We got to count from the other direction. 1, and then 2, and I'll do it in black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we have 8 items here and 8 items there, what is the median? 52, because here it is there, the exact middle number. So that would be 52 for the median. Another example on the median is this. If I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many items are in this list? 9. What's half of 9? 4.5, but we're not going to count the half a number. So count 1, 2, 3, 4 from the left, and then count 4 starting from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. The median would be what? 5. For this stem and leaf plot, I'm looking for the average only, and you're going to round it to the 10th place. To find the average of this list of numbers, we're going to add up the sum here. So we're going to have 40 plus 40, and then 41, 42, 43, 55, 55, 56, and I didn't add any of those together. I have to start over. 40 plus, there we go, 40, 41, 42, 43, and then we go to 55, 55, 56, 62, 63, 64, 77, 77, 78, 84, 85, 89, 89. Was your sum 1140? Did anybody get 1140 for the sum? All right, how many items are in the list?
17.
How many? 17. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Did anybody get 18? There we go. 18. So 1140 divided by 18 is 63.3, and you must have this exact number rounded to the 10th place. For this stem and leaf plot, find the median only. To find the median of this stem and leaf plot, we have to add up how many numbers we have. They're already in order, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Half of 24 is 12. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 there, and then from this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the two middle numbers are the 3 and the 5, but that's really 33 and 35, which you will add together and divide by 2. So that's 68 divided by 2, which is 34. The number of items we have in this list: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.